how to link Tidio chat with Shopify. So first, go to your Shopify dashboard and then just click on add apps here at the bottom. No, at the left side. Now just click on Shopify App Store here at the bottom. Now you'll be transferred here. So just click on the search bar here and then search for Tidio. Then press enter in your keyboard. Now look for this one and then click on install. Now click on install again. Okay, now from here you just need to log in your Tidio account. Click on login. Okay, now once you're here, you just need to go back to your Shopify store and refresh. Okay, next. Okay, now just click on your online store here and then click on themes. Click on customize here. Now from here, you just need to click on this app embeds icon here. Look for Tidio chat widget. Just toggle this on. Okay. Wait. Okay. Now just click on save. Okay. Now from here, just okay. Let's exit first and then let's view our store. Click on view our store here. Okay, as you can see, the Tidio chat has been installed. So just click on it just to check if it works. Just say hi, and there you go. It works. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.